Hi friends, today we will learn some information about planets. Let's see the rotation speed of each planet. Mercury. This is Mercury. Venus. This is Venus. Earth. This is Earth. Mars. This is Mars. Jupiter. This is Jupiter. Saturn. This is Saturn. Uranus. This is Uranus. Neptune. This is Neptune. Pluto. This is Pluto. Size of each and every planet will look like this in the solar system.